Forgiveness is the hardest part of starting over. You ever notice that everybody talks about starting over, but almost nobody talks about forgiveness? Not just talking about forgiving other people, talking about forgiving yourself. Because if you can't forgive, you're never going to move forward. For years, I thought forgiveness, just saying what they did, was okay. Some things that happened to us were absolutely wrong. Some people that hurt us deeply, and they lied, betrayed us. Some people walked away when you needed them the most. Forgiveness doesn't erase that. Forgiveness simply means I'm not going to let what you did control me for the rest of my life. That's freedom. But I'll be honest, as hard as it is to forgive someone else, I think it's even harder to forgive ourselves. I know it was for me. I made a lot of mistakes. I hurt people, said things I could never take back, made decisions, affected my family, and for a long time I carried those mistakes with me on my shoulder. Every day I reminded myself of all the awful things I had done. And then one day I realized if I was going to spend the rest of my life punishing myself, I was never going to become the person I wanted to be. I had to reach a place where I said I did the best I could with the maturity and the knowledge I had at the time. Would I make those same decisions today? Of course not, because I'm not the same person. I've learned and I've grown, changed my life. That's what healing looks like. It's not pretending your past didn't happen. Healing is refusing to let your past become your future. You don't have to like the things that you've done. You can't change them. You don't have to be proud of everything you did either. But at some point, you've got to stop putting yourself on trial every single day. Learn the lessons. Make amends where you can, where people allow you. Give yourself permission to become a better person. Here's the truth. If you spend your whole life looking back, you are never going to see the future. Starting over isn't about finding a new house, a new job, or even a new relationship. Starting over begins the moment you decide, I'm not going to let my past define the rest of my life. Forgive them, not because they deserve it, because you deserve peace. I'm an accountability coach, and I help people forgive other people and themselves. DM me if you would like to have some help starting over. I help people get off the couch, new relationships, save money, get healthy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.